Hi guys, I'm Lisa and welcome back to What the Bake. This week's episode is going to be a little bit different. I'm doing a life update. A lot of things have been happening and I'm so excited to finally be able to share it with you guys. I first want to start off by giving you guys an idea of how What the Bake started. I started What the Bake in December of 2018, so we're only a couple months old. I've always loved baking and I loved watching all these YouTube videos with bakers creating cakes and cupcakes and macarons, and I thought that I can finally give it a try. Many of you may not know that I'm actually a trained teacher, and it's a job that's given me so many opportunities, specifically being able to work all over the world. However, in June this year, I've decided to quit my day job and pursue What the Bake full-time. It was a very scary decision, but I'm so happy I did it. I decided to take a leap of faith and pursue my dream. Over the last couple of months, I've worked my butt off and I'm so proud of everything that I've accomplished so far. The first great news that I want to announce is that I'm launching my very own website. Over the past couple of months, I've worked really hard to build it and create amazing content. And I'm so excited that I finally get to share it with you guys. I will put the link for my website down below. I also want to let you guys know that I'm actually busy creating an online baking course. On YouTube, I try to show you how to make many different kinds of desserts, but on my online course, I want to make more in-depth tutorials where I show you tips and tricks of how to make the perfect cupcakes. I look forward to launch my course within the next couple of weeks. This was my first ever sit-down video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to know a little bit more about me and my baking journey, you can look on Instagram on my highlights, my story, where I tell you a little bit more about how my whole baking journey started and where I am now. If you guys want to see more videos like this, please let me know in the comments below. If you maybe have an idea for another sit-down video, please write it down there as well. If you haven't done it yet, hit the like button and please hit the subscribe button. See you soon. Oh, and before I forget, don't worry, I won't leave you a whole week without a baking video. In a couple minutes, I'll post my video for the delicious chocolate ganache. Please check it out.